What's up, guys? Here we have a unit that is low on refrigerant, and when we charge it, the refrigerant does not last long. As you can see, there is all types of signs of oil, which indicates a major refrigerant leak. Right up here, there's oil all around down here. So let's take this apart and find this leak. This is a Goodman 13 SEER. So there is a common spot. Remove the fan cover. And I believe that's where our leak is going to be, right here at this top coil. Normally I would bust out the leak detector to see where it's coming from, but there it is. Move that gross stuff. You can see right where the copper meets the aluminum coil, we have bubbles. Leak detector is going insane. Kind of peeled back the metal part, and as you can see, a giant hole. The metal casing was just slowing it down a little bit, or the metal ring, but yeah, that's